All right. Well, we touched up on this a little bit. Clean this all up, hit it with the sander. Wire wheel. Inside still looks like crap, but we're making progress. Did the lid. In there is kind of hard to get the sander in there. We'll go back to that. Looks great from what it was. Bottom. Sanded. Some kind of silicone or something was on the bottom. It's not Bondo. I don't know what it is. Some sort of fucking super adhesive from 20 years ago. This was my great grandfather's, so I'm glad to restore it. Put it in the garage with all the other tools. Alright, I'm gonna sand this some more, do the inside, and get back to you right before we prep for... Yes, son. We've got some primer here. I've got a good mouth on me today, seeing that we have little man's company. Enjoy that, friends.